Hey guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review for you guys for an awesome lotion that I've been using for this whole week, and I really like. It's going to become a new staple of mine. If you guys don't know, I've been using Cetaphil for many years, but so far I just noticed that it was starting to sit on top of my skin. It moisturized, but not quite as well, but I still used it because I mean it's meant for like sensitive skin and stuff like that. So far, it's like breakouts, whatever, it was all cool. I didn't have any issues with it, but I did notice that over time I needed more moisture, and I need a lotion that actually sinks into my skin, not just sits on top. And after watching reviews on it, a lot of people mentioned the same thing for when it comes to Cetaphil. So I went on a hunt pretty much looking for a different lotion. I was considering Cerave. I even went to Target before the lockdown and I looked, and then I kind of put it on a note that I would look into it. So last week I was looking through Amazon and typed in Cerave, and yeah, it did come up and I was almost ordering it, and then this popped up. So this is the Cerave Rough and Bumpy Skin lotion. It's meant for the body, but I'm using it on my face. So far so good. I haven't had any crazy things happening. This lotion is about $15 on Amazon, which is pretty pricey for a little bottle that's only what, 8 ounces. I think it's just because maybe it's meant for the body and stuff like that. I don't know, but I think you could find it for cheaper, you know, in stores when we do open or whatever from the lockdown. You can get it for cheaper, I think, or even on other websites. So yeah, it is pretty pricey for me considering like Cetaphil. I used to buy the big jar for like 9 something or 10. So yeah, this lotion is pretty much a lotion that goes a long way for you. It's not just something that sits on top and does nothing. It has really like 3 major ingredients that I read, and I was like, okay, I definitely got to try that. One of them was salicylic acid, which is really great for acne. The other one was lactic acid, which is meant for plumping the skin, kind of making the skin moisturized. Hyaluronic acid, which you know, helps with smoothing, plumping, and making the skin look really like glowy. Then the lactic acid, which is meant for like fine wrinkles, like texture and exfoliating and stuff like that. So when I read that all in one, I was like, I clicked so fast to add this to my cart because I was like, this is exactly what I need. And so far, I'm really happy I did. This is gonna be a staple for sure. I'm gonna be using this for a while. So yeah. So there it is. It doesn't have really like a scent. Let me see. The scent is not really there for me. It doesn't bother me. And the consistency is kind of thick. But then when you touch it, it feels water-based and stuff like that. So when you put it on, like your skin just sucks it all in, and it's, you know, it moisturizes, and you don't even feel like you have anything out throughout the day. So that's something that I really liked. So it's supposed to exfoliate, moisturize while helping to restore the protective barrier, skin barrier. And it has 3 essential ceramides, salicylic acid, and vitamin D. And then in the back it says it's gentle on skin, fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, I think. I can't even say that word. So all this stuff is pretty much adding up to your skin, your moisturizer going a long way for you. And so far, so good. I really like it a lot. Let me put a little bit on my hand so you guys can see. So this is it right here. And as you apply it, it just goes into your skin. And it leaves it kind of like, it's moisturized, but it's that moisturized where you do feel that coating, like the barrier on your face. And then you can go on about your day and stuff like that. With Cetaphil, I noticed that throughout the day, if I was sweating like on my face and I wiped it with like a paper towel, it would start fading, and then I would have really rough spots right here. So that was kind of frustrating. So I just needed something else, and I really like this, especially for the summer months, you know, for people that sweat a lot. This is a really great lotion, and I would recommend it. So if you are somebody who's having a lot of skin issues, you have, you know, dry skin, you have acne prone skin, you have skin that just tends to not be kind of flawless like me, this is great for you. So all those ingredients are really going to help with balancing out the skin tone, moisturizing, and really kind of helping your skin throughout, you know, as you're using it. So I think over time I should notice like the marks that I usually have here. should be fading, and really my skin should feel really like it's exfoliated all the time and things like that. So definitely one of those lotions that I would definitely recommend. I would give it from like a 1 to 10. I would give it like a good I would give it a good 7. I think it does what it says, and I've been putting it on my chest as well, because I have chest acne that I've been having for many years. I was using the Neutrogena Body Clear for a really long time, and it works, but I just needed something else that I could also put, so I don't have to, you know, like kind of deal with it, you know, throughout. So this really does that. So yeah, I'll leave the link in the description box if you guys want to order it. But it really is a nice lotion. I just wish it was, you know, a little bit bigger for that price. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.